what is a good ACoS? It's the next question. Good ACoS is so relevant to whatever your goal is, and good ACoS is so relevant to whatever your product is. What I'm seeing very often is these screenshots of, oh, I have achieved with 2% ACoS and with 10% ACoS and very low numbers. I'm seeing that. I'm just like thinking, yeah, probably people don't really understand how ACoS works. So I'm not saying that your ACoS should be high or 100% ACoS, which is basically going to consume all your profit, on the product. But what I'm saying, it's really relevant to whatever your product price is. And then a second thing, based on the product, how much profit margin do you still want to remain with? Giving you an example. Let's say your break-even ACoS, which basically means that once that you're going to add up all the costs of your goods, shipment, and whatsoever, like additional costs that you would have, then you would remain with a net percentage or sum. Let's say after you're selling a product that is $20, you're remaining with $5. That $5, we're going to convert it into a percentage, and that percentage is going to become your break-even ACoS. That break-even ACoS, whatever it's underneath, it means that you are making profit. But the next stage that you are going to decide, all right, now that I'm making profit, am I okay to pay maybe out of that $5, $3? Or do I want to go down to $2 only to pay for my ads? And that is going to be directly impacting your ACoS, so then the ACoS should be lower. Good ACoS is really relevant to whatever your goal is. A good ACoS, sometimes it can also mean 100% ACoS, but at least you have one conversion, and from there you're going to work your way down.